Hey guys, back to Kitty Cat today. I'm gonna be doing.
I'm doing my whole Snapchat again.
Shh. Hey guys, back to Kitty Cat today. There's a new setup, and today what I'm gonna be doing is life as a squishy simmer. So let's get on with the video. So I just got a squishy order. Like this dumb girl wanted a squishy order. So first she wanted, I am a Tokyo cute face. I only have this devil defective face. So I'm gonna be using this bag, and there's like this little thing in it. I'll be back in a second. Let me just. So guys, this is my original packaging that I use for everybody. So let me just, So let me just pop it up. I have my squishies in the box over here. Let me just open it up. And pop on. It was wet early on today, so I'm just gonna use a box instead. I'm just gonna use this box that I got my laptop in. Hold on. Let me just get my laptop and see what she wanted again. Okay, let me just get my laptop. It is pink. So, first she wanted this. Harley Miller. She ordered one. Let me just copy it off here. I'll set it over here. One, I am a Tokyo cute face. I don't have a cute face right now. Sorry, girl. I would give it to you, but I only have a devil face. So let's pop that in the box. And there's a wee place for small squishies to go in. Next, she ordered a good strawberry. I only have this defective strawberry, so I'm gonna use that. Next, she ordered a cream bun face. I only have this blue weird panda face thing, so I'm gonna just pop that in there. Let's see what else she did. She ordered a jumbo. I think I was guessing it, getting into jumbo. Next, she ordered a jumbo banana. New original packaging. My squishies. New original packaging. So this is not a not a jumbo, a small banana. Jumbo banana, not defected. It's really not defected. So yeah. Next, she ordered original packaging. Giant purple ice cream. I do not chocolate ice cream. I do not have that. And this did cost $5. So it's not really that surprising. So she wanted original packaging. So I guess I'll need to get rid of my packaging. Next, she ordered a jumbo popcorn. I guess I will give her this because I've got more of these. So yeah. Next, she ordered a jumbo burger. Do have that, and I want to save it, but I guess I'll just give it to her. I just got 15 more of them. So let's close the box up and ship it on over to her. Let's close the box. It's hard to lose the squishies in it, guys. And I don't don't know how to close it. I'm trying to close it, guys. I want to close. Okay, so let's ship it off over to my next. Let's ship it off to it. Guys, I just got a squishy package through my mail, and it was a little bit open when it came, so I'm really worried. And there was a Twix popping out of it. So yeah, you guys will get the first peek. There you guys go. So let me just pull one thing out. I feel packaging. It could be. It's my purple. No, my green ice cream. I didn't order green ice cream, and I said no eyes, and this has eyes. So this was a little bit of a scam right here. This one. So well, at least it came with the original open. I know when it did open. Well, I guess I still need it for my squishy video. Next, it came with the Twix. Yummy. Let me just open it and taste it. See if it's out of date. It's perfect. Next, a banana. I did order a perfect banana. It's perfect here. It was a little bit scratchy, but that will have today. Look at that. Sorry, I'm eating Twix. No. That is like not even. And then there's like a big defect up there. And then there's like this cut off. Okay. Found him. Next, I got my popcorn. Yes, I do want this. And it is the only good thing in here so far. Next, what I ordered. It feels like my burger. It is my burger. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so cool. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my videos. Comment down below #KidGuy if you guys want to shout out in my next video. And comment down below which you guys want to see more people in my videos. And if you guys want the giveaway. And there will be a night tomorrow